It's coming from what Main Roads was, an organisation that was part of the community and to give people a lot of opportunities to start off in life.
I started off on Main Roads in '83.
I started in '91.
In the early 90s.
Started in 1976, so 23 years.
13 years.
17.5 years with Main Roads, total 42 years in the same industry.
12 years, the contracting for nearly 24 years, and now I'm back with Main Roads.
The opportunities now for the younger people to be able to get out there and change their direction. You're not going to be staying on the shovel for the rest of your life.
There's a lot of very educated young fellas coming through who can move through this organisation and be a benefit to everyone.
I'm pretty young as it is still, so I think there's definitely opportunity there to grow.
It means I'm pretty much set up for life now. I've got a secure job.
The security side of things is a huge part because I don't want to be jumping from job to job.
Good opportunity to set myself up for life and meet new people.
Good career with Main Roads and hopefully retire.
Just working for the government, you get a full-time job. There's a lot of benefits to it, like you can do it for the rest of your life. The highways ain't moving, so you can pass it on to the next generation.
There is a lot more security now with a government job. It's going to bring families back to the region.
I was looking for an opportunity to come home, so all the determination eventually paid off.
I'm getting a bit long in the tooth as well. Most of the boys have been there for quite a long time as well, so it's been a long journey.
Just the consistency of having a full-time job and not having to stress about, might not get any money this week.
I've been 7 years with the service and 5 companies now. Being brought in is just job security.
Everybody's happy to roll over to Main Roads because they know what they're doing with their jobs.
To be able to get the work done will be a lot easier because decisions can be made then and there, not having to go through a third party.
It'll be all just one umbrella and it'll put more responsibility onto the work crews.
I'm excited to be workmates and working within Main Roads with these people that I've known and worked for the last 4 years.
Main Roads is just a bit more of a sort of family orientated, where the contractor is more get the work done. Turn a page, Main Roads is opportunities. A bit more respect and, well, it feels a bit better.
I'm just really proud to wear the uniform. I'm proud of what we do and the service that we provide. You know what it's like if you love your job, it doesn't feel like it's a job.
It's a good feeling I can finally say I work for Main Roads now.
I've got to say it's like coming back again, coming back home in a way.
I love it. It's good to be home.
It's been a big circle to come back to where I started.
It just gives us an opportunity to go in a really good direction, make our networks a safer place for our families and friends.
As a whole for Main Roads, for the community, there's so much positivity in the outcome of what we're doing.